Okay, TikTok friends, spam me with all of your advice and recommendations on how to get rid of bronchitis. I'm going on week 3. It's been 2.5 weeks. I've been on 2 antibiotics, currently on a steroid, cough medicine, and an inhaler. Every day, every morning, and throughout the day, I'm still coughing up junk. My lungs are clear. I've had a chest x-ray. It's not pneumonia. It's not COVID. But I'm still struggling, and it's affecting my vocal cords, and I can't keep sounding like this. It's terrible. Help a girl out. Please message me in the comments and let me know if you have any tips. Send them my way.